to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how I made makeup brush cleaner. It was very inexpensive to make, but before we get started, I just want to ask you if you could please just subscribe to my channel, and if you could please just ring that bell button so you can be notified every time that I upload. I just think this is a very neat little item that I made for my brush, my makeup brush. So all you do is just put it around and you can just clean your brushes as you're putting on your makeup. So you don't have to fuss with having to wipe it on a piece of napkin or a tissue. All you have to do is just open up your little container and just swirl it around and clean your brush. So if this is something that you would like to make for yourself, I would ask you to just keep watching the video or, my tutorial. Not very long, it's pretty short. See how I made this little makeup brush cleaner, then just continue watching. Thank you. Okay guys, these are the items that you will be needing to do your makeup brush cleaner. I got these storage containers from Dollar Tree, and I got the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, and also these sponges. These are the items that you will need, and you would also need a glue gun. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we open our package. And this is the little container. And what I like to do is, I like to use the pink one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure the little tin cup to the sponge, and I'm gonna go around it with a marker. That way I can cut it out. Okay, I'm sorry, you also need a marker. So what I do is I just outline with the marker all the way around, using my tin container as my guide. And there I have a good enough circle. Then what I do is I cut it. And there you go, and I fit it in there. Now the next thing that I like to do, and here it is, I just decorate it just to make it look nice and girly. So this is where the diamond wrap comes in. Just kind of measure around the little tin. So I'm going to do a little strip at a time. Just be careful because the glue is really hot and the glue seeps through, so you just have to barely tap it because you can burn your fingers. And so there you have it. And what I also like to do is I like just to put a little strip down the middle of the lid just to make it look pretty. I measure and I cut it. And I also cut these little excess little threads that come out. And it's just to make it look just more decorative. This is your makeup brush cleaner. and you just swirl it around, and it's ready for you to use. And then you can just throw them out and you can just replace it. I don't recommend you washing them because the sponge tends to get hard. So right now it's soft and it remains soft as long as you don't wet it. That's why I just recommend for you just to throw it out and just get a new sponge and fill it. And see, there you go. There is your brush cleaner. And it just took $3. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you.